Hello, everybody. Welcome back to math class. So, we talked about in our last video, we are working on the distribution property, but of multiplication. So there's different kinds of distributions, but today we're learning about the multiplication process, okay? And a good formula for it is just like the one we learned in our last video. If you guys are paying attention, you should know it is P perimeter equals 2 parentheses L plus W. Or there's a second way you can do it is P equals 2L plus 2W. Okay, and they should look like this. So these are the two versions that we can do for distribution. But we're going to stick with this one for right now. Okay, so let's dive in, and I'm going to do an example for you of the distribution. So let's say I need to find out what my perimeter is of my rectangle. Okay, and we're using 3 parentheses 10 plus 2 parentheses. So I'm going to break down how you're going to use this to solve your problem. So you're going to take the 3 and you're going to multiply it by 10. So to break it down, it's going to look like this. Parentheses, 3 times 10, like that. Then you're going to do plus parentheses 3 times 2. So you see what I did there? I took this 3 and I multiplied it by 10. And then I took the 3 again and I multiplied it by 2. So this is my distribution. I'm distributing it by 3 to 10 and 2. So when I fill these out, my 3 times 10 is 30. And my 3 times 2 is 6. Okay? So when I do this, now I just need to add 30 plus 6, which is 36. So let's double check and let's do it this way to see if we still get the same answer. Okay, so it would look like this. So our 3 and our L was 10 and our W was 2. So you're still going to do 3 times 10, just 30, plus 3 times 2, which is a 6. And we still get the same answer as 36. So let's do another example. So I have 5 parentheses 2 plus 10 parentheses. So remember, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my arrow and I'm going to distribute my 5 to the 2 and to the 10. So it's going to look like 5 times 2 plus 5 times 10. So then I'm going to break these down even more. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 5 times 10 is 50. And then I'm going to add these two together, and I should get 60. Okay, so let's do one final one that's a little different. So let's do 8, 2 parentheses, plus 7 parentheses. So remember, I'm going to distribute my 8 to my 2, distribute my 8 to my 7. 8 times 2 plus 8 times 7. And so then 8 times 2 is 16 plus 8 times 7, which is 56. And then we're going to add them together. So if we add them together, then I get 72. Okay, so if you guys have any questions about this, please let me know. We are going to be learning about different formulas, but today it's just multiplication and distributing both of my parentheses and then adding them together at the end. So have a wonderful day, guys. Bye.